Today we'll be looking at the circular flow economics, which is grade 10 up to grade 12. First thing first, we must be able to define the term circular flow. Circular flow, it's a model that shows how the economy works. Secondly, circular flow it is the flow of production, it is the flow of income and expenditure. Meaning, in simple words, a flow or a model esibonisa ukuproduce kwe-goods and services, ne-flow ubonisa income nantoni nemali ispend, which is the expenditure. And then thirdly, we have two types of circular flows. We have a closed economy, meaning it excludes the foreign sector. It's whereby economy lo country import kwaye export goods and services. That is a closed economy. Secondly, we have open economy, meaning it includes the foreign sector. They do import and export goods and services. Then now, let us move to the diagram. How does this flow of production, income, and expenditure works in a diagram? As here's diagram yet, we need to include 4 participants if ever sizakwenza nge-open economy. The first participants or the role players, the household. Household are also known as the consumers. Then the second one, it's a government, also known as the state. And then the third one is the firms, also known as the producers or businesses, are those who produce goods and services. And then the fourth one, it's a foreign sector. That's whereby we import and export goods and services. But now, ayizukwenzeka flow of production, flow of income and expenditure, if ever we do not include 2 markets ku diagram yethu, which is the factor. The first market is a factor market. Then the second one is a product market, which is now, if ever include these 2 markets, is a flow of production, flow of income and expenditure. Let us explain now how does this diagram works. Our first participant is the household. The household circular flow yethu are considered as the major participant to the circular flow because they are the ones who own the factors of production. Remember, factors of production are resources that make it possible for the production of goods and services. Meaning now there is no production without the factors of production that are owned by the household. The household is they are the ones who own those production factors. They sell them to other participants, but they sell them via the factor market. As you can see, there's an arrow coming from the household to the factor market. It says factor service. And then now, moving to firms. Firms, they are the ones who produce goods and services. But for them to be able to produce those goods and services, they need to have the factors of production, which is now they have to go to the factor market and purchase the factors of production. As you can see, the arrow from the factor market to the firms, which is now they have received the factors of production, meaning now they are able to produce the goods and services. From them, after they have produced the goods and services, they are able to sell those goods and services to other different participants, but they sell them via the product market. As you can see, the arrow from the firms to the product market. Now it makes it easy for the household to purchase the goods and services from the product market. As you can see, there's an arrow from the product market to the household. And then, as we have said, a household, they sell the factor of production, meaning, as you all know, awuthengisa into automatically you receive income. As you can see, bathengisile those factor services to the firms, and then they have received income. As you can see, the arrow is from the factor market to the household. It says income. bayifumela income after bethengise the factors of production, which is the income yabo is either can come as a form of salary or a wage. From there, we have firms or businesses, those producing services. Bona uze bakwazi ufumana those factors of production, baye bakhupha imali, meaning expenditure. That expenditure le yafika intoni yayi-income to i-household, meaning now i-income ye-household ibi-expenditure yantoni ye-firms. Now wena firms awukwazi kufumana i-fair production if ever you don't spend. As you can see, the arrow from the firms iyasuka kwi-firms iya kwi-factor market, meaning iyaphuma imali. That is why it's the expenditure. And then again, if firms zithe ziproduce ii-goods and services bazithengisela kwezinye ii-participants, nansi i-arrow iyamova to i-product market. Which is now xa bethengisa phaa ii-firms bona, they expect to get or to receive i-income. As you can see, the arrow from the product market moving to i-firms, meaning now they've received income after beproducile ii-goods and services bazithengisela kwezinye ii-participants bafumana i-income. Then now household baye bathengisa, then bafumana i-income in a form of a wage or a salary. Then now la income yabo baye bathini bayispenda xa bethenga i-goods and services from the product market. As you can see, the arrow from the household move to the product market, meaning bakhuphe imali ukuze bakwazi ukufumana i-goods and services. And then let us move to our third participant, which is the government or the state. What is the role that is played by the government to circular flow? The government provides the public goods and services to the household and to the firms. But now the question is, how does the government get the money to provide those public goods and services? The government receives revenue through the collection of tax from the household and from the firms. As you can see, the arrow from the firms to the business, then the arrow from the household to the government. Meaning now the arrow shows that government receive tax, which is imali yabo, from i-household and from the firms. And leyo yenze kube lula for them to provide the public goods and services to a household and to the firms. And then, but now the question is, government lona naye uyazithenga ezinye ii-goods and services, uzithenga from the product market. As you can see, there's an arrow from the product market to government, meaning uyawathenga ntoni phaya, uthenge ii-goods and services is aye akwazi ukuziprovide to i-household. And then from there xa ethenga ukhupha imali, nansi i-arrow isuka from government iya kwi-product market, meaning there's expenditure hayenze ngu-government ukuze akwazi ukufumana ii-goods and services. And then again this side, u-government nalapha sithe uprovide i-public goods and services. So up on this case uyawafumana intoni, i-factor service biproducwa ngobani, biproducwa zi-household. Then opte ifumanile yena uyakhupha imali, which is expenditure leyo. La expenditure leyo yafika i-income to i-household. La income is a salary or wage. And then now we are done ngezi zi-3 participants. Which is now if ever we do not include the foreign sector, lena yinto ke ngoku sathi it's a closed circular flow, ngoba yona it excludes the foreign sector. But now if ever we include this participant to a foreign sector, meaning now seyitshintsha igama layo seyi-open circular flow, ngoba it includes the imports and the exports of goods and services. As you can see, there's an arrow from the firms moving to the foreign sector. That arrow silindolia siya exporter, sithengisa goods to amanye amazwe. Then xa sithengisa phaya we receive income, and then again siphinde sikwazi uba sithenge from other countries, that is imports. Njengoba sithenga pha sikhupha imali, that is expenditure. As you can see the arrow, uba sisutheni pha sikhuphe imali from our economy siyisaphi kwamanye amazwe ngoba siphinde sithenge goods and services from them. Now it is our circular flow diagram. But lastly, as you can see to our diagram, there are two arrows. There's an inside arrow and an outside arrow. Which is the inside arrow yona, it indicates what we call a real flow. The real flow it is the flow of factors of production and goods and services, meaning kulapho kuflowa khona factors of production and goods and services. That is a real flow. And then the last arrow ezingaphandle, there's one is outside our diagram. As you can see, it yona the money flow, it is the flow of payments, income and expenditure. As you can see, these arrows, there's income, there's expenditure, there's income, there's expenditure, meaning yona it indicates the money flow. That's where by flow khona payments, incomes and expenditure eziye zenziwe by those role players, which is the household, government, firms and foreign sector. That's all for now, circular flow yethu. Thank you.